Bear in mind that every search is explicitly or implicitly a question or expression of a problem, even Googling your brand name. The implicit question here is ambiguous, but Google understands where do I find and I want information about. Now, the fundamental aim of Google is to present the answer to the user's question or the solution to their problem. The Brand SERP does this by putting your site at the top for the question, where do I find? And everything else for the question, I want information about. Now, why is it so important to control the people also ask questions? If you want your audience to see videos, Twitter boxes, and other rich multimedia items when they Google your brand name, take Kalycube's Brand SERP Content and Rich Elements course. When you join the Kalycube Academy, I'll teach you how to make your Google business card accurate, positive, and convincing for your audience when they search your brand name. Please do come along and join us.